Welcome, my dear students, in this Clean Code Masterclass course, where we will learn about the clean code best practices and guidelines with theoretical concepts and hands on examples. This course will help you become a pro level developer or programmer who not only writes code but writes the code in the best possible way. Let's look at the topics that we will cover in this course. First, we will try to understand what is meant by clean code, and then we will try to understand the importance why you should write the clean code or why you should write code that is going to adhere to a particular quality standards and security standards. We will also try to understand what are the problems that you encounter or a project or a company encounters if the code is not clean or not following the standards and guidelines. After that, we will look into the principles of clean code. Then we will go and see the clean code best practices with some real world code examples. Then we will see how exactly the code review process works in any organization or in a project where you work. So there are certain processes set up in any organization to make sure these clean code principles are enforced. And as a developer or engineer, you must adhere to those processes. Those processes are called code review, and there can be different kinds of code review processes and pull request process. There's another way to put a check on the quality before you can put your code into the mainstream branches and deploy to the environments. Finally, we will look into the different code scan tools and the different rule set that gets applied and how you can go and find out which rules you have violated, your code has violated. And the tools will also suggest you some solutions which you can go and apply to get rid of the violations and make your code again perfect as per the quality standards. So this course is not only helping you just to understand what clean code is, but actually helping you understand how exactly the clean code principles gets applied in IT industry in the real world projects. So after this course, you will be a pro programmer along with the knowledge of industry wide how clean code principle works and the different guidelines that get set up to make sure quality is not compromised. I will see you in the upcoming videos. Until then, thank you.